Hello and welcome to Section 2, Faster Deployments. In this section, we will make our Docker deployments faster. This is important so that we have a tighter feedback loop to find out how effective our new application is in production. In this section, we will be learning the following. We will launch the Docker registry in our production environment. Next, we will look at alternative base Docker images. Finally, we will do some blue-green deployments in our Docker Swarm cluster. This is the first video, Docker Registry in production. In this video, we will launch the Docker registry in our production environment. First, we will talk about the advantage of having a local Docker registry. Next, we will run the Docker registry in our Docker Swarm environment. And finally, we will do our deployment using the local registry. First, let us talk about the merit of having the Docker registry in our production environment. First, we won't need our production environment to connect to the internet to pull our Docker images. Next, Docker image downloads are faster since they are within the local network. And finally, this is a good reference setup when working with heavily firewalled environments like enterprise data centers. Now let us begin our Docker registry setup. To set up the Docker registry, let us run Docker service create towards our production Docker Swarm. Next, let us rebuild our application Docker image in our development machine using the docker build command. Let us name the image beginning with production:5000 so that we can publish it to our local Docker registry. Before we can connect to our Docker registry in production, let us first configure our development environment's Docker engine to connect to it insecurely. To do this, let us update the daemon.json file. Now that we finished doing the configuration, let us restart the Docker engine. Finally, let us run docker push to publish our Docker image to the registry in our production Docker environment. Our Docker image is now published in our local Docker registry. We are now ready to perform our application deployment to our production environment. First, let's set the Docker host environment variable so that we are connecting to our remote Docker Swarm in production. To do the deployment, let us now run Docker service create. Notice that we specified the image source to be localhost because we will be connecting to the Docker Swarm ingress node ports to pull the image from our registry service. Let us now run Docker service ps to see the service we just launched. As we can see, we launched the container by pulling from our local registry instead from Docker Hub. This saved our deployment time by not going to the internet to deploy our Docker image in our production cluster.